10-second trivia. When great white sharks are born, what are they known as? Pups, cows, nymphs, or hatchlings? Baby sharks, are known as pups, and from the moment they're born, they're on their own. Despite the fact that they're probably the most well-known species of shark, there's not a lot known about their lives. Everything from their social behavior to their mating habitats to where they give birth is a mystery, and scientists also do not know why they occasionally attack humans, whether they mistake us for food or just checking to see if they are just hungry, and there's not much else around to eat. What is known is that humans are sharks' biggest enemy. That's why researchers in today's big story are trying to study, monitor, and conserve these animals. If you're afraid of coming down and going swimming in the ocean because of sharks, you should be terrified to make a piece of toast. 400 people died last year from defective toasters, whereas less than 10 did from sharks. This is the first large shark expedition like this in the Western Gulf. We'll be tagging hammerhead sharks, tiger sharks, and mako sharks, trying to understand how they're weathering the Gulf and their birthing, mating, and full migratory patterns. We'll be getting up every day just before dawn. A fishing team will be going out, getting all of our lines rigged and ready to go. Then we'll get the ship in a position with a lift in the water. And we'll look into bring sharks back to the lift them up out of the water, and once we do that, a whole team of scientists from a half-dozen institutions will circle around the shark, and will conduct 12 research projects in about 15 minutes, then release the shark and open up the tank. Source the track into the world so that everyone can follow it. What we're finding is these massive sharks have huge movements across the ocean. We have one of these white sharks, Lydia, who's travelled over 3,500 miles in just 2 years. Very regular for those sharks to be swimming 10 to 1 miles a month, 1,000 miles a month, which is why it's so important to figure out where they go. We're losing 200,000 sharks a day for shark fin soup, 100 million a year. You know, people need to understand an ocean with no shark means an ocean with no fish. They are the lion, the balance keeper of the ocean, and if they are not there, the food chain collapses. This is a simple battle. We've got to solve the puzzle of these sharks to live shark lives, to make sure they flourish and make a difference for the future.